Yeah, Master Connie. I hope say on where. Na busuafo so ho ye. Yeah, prof ni. Na let me say me yare kakra I was going through a lot na me catch them some country say I have been coughing and it wasn't normal. Ti mami ko hu specialist when it comes to health issues na me find the agro. Specialist physician. They will refer you, go to lab. They test everything and they said, yeah, Master Connie. Enti uchire no mu say onkofa betacola. They test for TB, chest, liver, everything was okay. So I born one sir. Enti the other platform now are them. And I am say there was this Zimbabwean lady or whoever. No say ne maame abonwa saa say ye TB say ye dey you. But in my own case, and TB because they have done TB test. Even the TB test, the specialists keep on confirming 2 times everything was normal. Until they have to do the blood test, kidney, and everything was normal. Until Uche Nimu say they test for TB. Until Uche Nimu say onkofa betacola, michigoro. 30 of them. Now onfa garlic. Yes, oyi baako mmiɛnsa. Ne mu ano mmiɛnsa. Nye garlic aba no mmiɛnsa. Ne mu ano kyerɛm so ne mu ano mmiɛnsa. Na ɔmfa akakaduro nso ɔntwitwa mu 30. Na ɔmfa honey, the bush one no, original one no. Na ɔmo nwo no, ɔmo ngran, ɔmo blend, ɔmo nwo no abɛwadurum. Na ɔfa ebegyae. I knew so can saa no. Na manya bididro bi no meyɛ sɛ na amakɔ hospital mo twondro mo ayɛ special mo ayɛ bibi anye we no. I'm saying no. Information na ɛyɛ duro a wo kyerɛ ma saa nipa no. Ma me nso me nkɔyɛ bi. Until last week when I was off until I went to Pretoria. Until me ba na me tɔ how do you call it? Betacola no 30. Na me de waduro no I have that smaller one, but situation me cope through into them. So now let me just take a chance and blend it. To me blend it, Michigoro no your friend is saying. Betacola no Victoria. Na me ba in popo this side no. Na me to akakadru na mchuchwa mu 30. Na me to ginger no so mako 3. Akase 3. Na me yi ho kama. Me blend it na me to original honey. Wɔ Algeria for bishop for Pretoria na the buy the fry. That was any Thursday. Medru anadwo Wednesday no. Nti Thursday na me call adwuma. Nti me buy na nwumre by this time to say na me no kasa ye yabo 8:30 na me blend bibia na me no 1 spoon am die. Friday, that was last week Friday no. Me call adwuma. I addressed the meeting. Bianca, every minute biya no. Me bon not even minute seconds, and it's terrible. Chest was paining, your veins were stressed, rapes. 1 spoon now. The next following Friday, so many 1 spoon. I was not coughing. It was like only to make a sign of cough. Okay. Now the flames maybe are dead flames now about out. I'm saying, wow, God. Thank you, God. Intiminum 1 spoon Thursday night ɛna nɔpa me kɔ adwuma Friday night na menom 1 spoon. The whole of the Friday I never cough. And my yen container ma because the bitter cola no a doors nti me grind it me blend it na ye bebre ɛna akakadun so me to bebre na ntwitwa mu 30 sɛ ne awo kire mu no ɛna 3 ayi no a friend is saying garlic no na me for anti sesia me no ka say nyame adoma cough no ma biem nti me guso ameno. And that is the testimony I'm telling you now. May God richly bless you. All knowledge and the patience you have for mankind, it should stay with you forever. And you will live long. And not the testimony, because we started on last week, on the 9th. Just imagine on the 9th, and many can say on the 15th. On the 9th to on the 15th, how many days? We are coughing starting. I have gone to the best hospital. The hospital Mandela, or that hospital is full of specialists. There is no GP there. All of them are full of specialists. They actually treat diseases, yes, severe sicknesses. That is physician specialists or specialist physicians. One of the best hospitals are private. My year, yeah, but until last week, I'm more friends. A member review me call it to drone and buy. I'm saying no, I'm not. Me to more drone there, but I'm not going to use it. Let me apply what the information you put on the platform. Nyamia doma me ho atom. I'm go so fa. So that is the testimony I'm putting it here. Intimacy.